So right here I have my 2018 BMW 440i X-Drive. Is a Grand Coupe. As you guys can see, I have 4 doors as well as it's a hatchback. If you guys don't know what a hatchback is, because a lot of people always ask me about my trunk. Let me go ahead and open it for you guys so you guys can see what it's like. Let me see if it's unlocked. So this is pretty much what it does. So this is how my trunk opens. A lot of other BMWs open it a little differently. So if you guys look at it from afar, it does look kind of cool. So I have currently 75,000 miles. So in today's video, we're gonna cover how reliable and how good it is at 75,000 miles. Yes, I've had it for a while now, but these cars, the big 58 engine is so reliable, guys, that I barely ever have any issues, if any. And I get a lot of questions about the car, so today we're gonna answer them all by taking the car out on a drive. It is a little dark, it's not daytime, but it'll be a little POV drive for you guys. We're gonna see what kind of streets we can find, but let's get right into the video. Let's take it for a spin and let's go. Before we get into the video, let's go ahead and do a little start. I don't have the cold start on, so you just get like the M4 roar, which is pretty much that. I don't know if the mic could really pick it up, but the car is pretty warm. So this is a pretty, I'm gonna rev it right now while it's in comfort. Yeah, it sounds crazy in here, but let's go ahead and take it for a spin. I think we're all the way up on the last floor too, because I was gonna go upstairs, but they closed it, so I can't even go all the way up there. I don't know if you guys can hear that little whistle right there, but it sounds good. It's my boy A-Man's car right here. It's my boy A-Man in the 330. If you guys, you know, he has the G82, or not the G82, but the G80 as well, which is the M3, and then that's his brother's, which was his car, which is the 435, which is nice, look clean. But yeah, they're at the gym right now. Yeah, that sounds crazy in here, bro. And this is just comfort. Once we get closer down, I'll pop it in sport. But that whistle sounds crazy, bro. But yeah, guys, I have 75,000 miles on this car, bro, and this car is still so good, bro. No issues, bro, at all. And like I said, I daily drive this car every single day, like pretty much everywhere I go. So it's crazy how reliable and good it is. Damn, this freaking, I was really that high up, huh? Let's go ahead and pop it into sport. We're about to be out of here pretty soon. I'll drive in manual as well. Okay. No car coming. Sounds good, huh? All right, where should we go? Let's go this way for now. I'll wait for them. I'll be a nice guy and wait for them. Let's go this way. Probably won't do too much talking. I kind of want you guys to just hear the car and just enjoy, you feel me? By knowing me, I'll probably still be chatting because I don't know how to not talk, to be honest. But if that guy thinks he got me, I'm gonna go this way. Damn, I shouldn't have went this way though. God, his lights is dumb bright. I can't even see. Damn, these little what are these called? Speed bumps are dumb big. Gotta go slow. Oh. Just take it easy. Oof, oof. Slow. Oh, okay. gotta see it. That second shift. Let me put my windows up because the wind is kind of loud. Yes, sir. Should I put the back windows down so I can hear a little bit? This is some downshifts. I know this, like, the mic never does justice to what that car actually sounds like. And if you ever see it in person, you'll hear it. But it's like, for me, it's loud enough. Like, some people might want it louder, but I think this is like the perfect amount of like loudness. So that's why I never thought about doing anything else. Like, unless I get like a full exhaust, that would be cool. But nobody got money for that, boy. You know what I'm saying? Somebody want to, you know, help the boy out with the bill. Sponsor me, man. Oh, yo, on second, bro, this thing picks up crazy, bro. It picks up so fire. Gotta go. Let's see what's up. Yeah, picks up very nice, bro. I'm telling you, bro, get up 440,000, bro. This thing is like the best car. Like, you got everything with this car, bro. Like, you got the looks, the speed, the comfort, the reliability. What else you need, bro? And it's cheap. Not super cheap, but cheaper than an M, bro. And you know, it's nice, bro. I love this car. And you got like the sporty look. If you don't want to get a 4-door, you don't have to, obviously. But, you know, I got a 4-door just because I think they're cheaper too. I think the 4-doors are cheaper than the 2-doors, the coupes, because I think they consider the coupe more sporty and, you know, whatever. But this is pretty much the same thing, bro. And you get the hatchback looking trunk, which not many cars have, while still like keeping the sporty look, you know. Drop it a gear and disappear. Oh man, this thing is, I wasn't even pushing it like that. Like, I wasn't even pressing it crazy. I just put gas. I can't waste it all, man. But yeah, I love this car, yeah. Let's take this exit here. Yeah, it's smooth, bro. I'm telling you. I hear those burbles back there, though. Crazy. We ain't playing no games. This car is just fun. This car is just fun, bro. And the amount of things you can do to it, though, like the mods, bro. Like, you can do so much to this car. This is the crazy part. If you have the money for it, you can do so much. I wish I did. I would have. Oh my god, guys, I would do so much to this car. Like a lot of people just go for power and speed. Me, I'm more of I want the car to be fast, but not like extremely crazy where like the car's gonna be breaking down every 2 seconds. But also, like, I want to keep like the looks of it. Like, I want it to look nice. Some people just go for speed and don't really care about the cosmetics and what the car looks like. But I like the car looking nice and clean all the time. So I know I don't wash it all the time, but it's still clean for the most part. I know I gotta get out of this lane because I know that there's a big ass hole coming up here. I drive around here a lot, so I kind of know my ways, you know. So I don't want to actually don't want to speed through here because these bumps don't forgive nobody. Downshifts in the tunnel, even with my windows up, still sound good. Yeah, man, I love this car, bro. And all you need, bro, once you get a tune, if you get a downpipe, catted or a catless, once you get a downpipe, it's not, well, if you get a catted, it won't sound as loud as this, but, you know, then you won't have no issues with getting the car inspected, which that's one of the one of the things that I've ran into recently. Actually, I went to get my car inspected and I failed. I mean, I knew I was gonna fail, but I still went anyway. Just, I don't know, maybe I got lucky or something, but yeah, no, I didn't get lucky. I failed that thing. No cap. I did not get lucky, bro. Yeah, that thing is nice, bro. Careful with cops, man. Careful with the po-po. But yeah, man, this car just, it's fun to drive, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. Super nice. And I know a lot of you guys ask me about this full display Apple CarPlay thingy. I don't know if my car came with it, honestly, guys. I know that you can code it into your car. When I got my car, it already had it, so I didn't code it. But if you have this screen, you can code it into your car. I don't know how, but I know for sure you can, because Amen did it. I don't know if he has a video about that, but I know he did it into his car. One of the things that I really would like for this car is like an exhaust system, like an exhaust. I think that will make the car that much better. Some rims too. Yo, somebody just sponsor me, bro. What's wrong with y'all? Why nobody want to sponsor the kid, man? Put me on to some sauce, man. Let's work. Oh man. Love this thing though. See how it pulls you like that, bro? Thing don't play no games, gang. Ain't playing with you, kid. Oh, it's a stop sign. I don't know why I stopped like if it was a red light. Yeah, in second, bro, this thing moves. In first, not so much, but in second, can I turn right on red here? I have no idea, but I'm gonna do it. Just safely, of course. What the heck he listening to? Like in first, it don't move, but once I hit 2, oh yeah, forget it. Watch second, it just moves, bro. And once you go into third, yeah, you out. Drop it in gear and disappear, man. 440,000, you already know. You already know what's the word. What is the word? Man, I'm so glad to be back, y'all, man. I was gone for like a week and a half. I missed you guys. I missed making videos for y'all, bro. So when I came back, bro, shoosh. I gotta grind, man. I gotta pick up my videos back, bro, before I lose y'all, man. Make sure I don't go anywhere, bro, because the videos are gonna just continue to get better, bro. We're gonna continue to grind, continue to hustle, and just do our thing, bro. And you know, one day we'll go crazy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm chatting now. I know school started again. How many of you guys are in school? Make sure you know, stay in school, do your thing. School's not for everybody, of course, but it is very, like, I don't know, sometimes I wish I stayed in school, sometimes I'm just like, nah. So it's like, I don't really know, bro. School is tough. I miss it though, no cap. In school, you don't gotta worry about bills, you don't gotta worry about nothing, bro. Just go to school and do your homework, bro. That's it, bro. Just play sports, hang out with friends, no problems. And now when you old, shit, you gotta pay for mad shit. I know when you're young you wanna be old, but bro, I don't even know if it's that cool, man. I'm telling you, I think you're better off being young, bro. No cap, no cap. Yes, sir. Let's do one more pull here. Oh my god, bro, this thing really moved, bro. This thing ain't playing with you, kid. I think that was a cop right there too, hiding in plain sight. Downshift in here. Woo, that's wild, bro.
go with Gucci. Let's go this way. This street here is so small for two-way. Alrighty, let's go up here. This car is too much fun, bro. Gotta be. I'm not going too crazy around here because the bumps here are a little crazy, but probably do one more pull and then that's pretty much it. I am pretty close to my crib now. Let's go to the right here. Is that a police? No. I don't think so. Alright, last pull for y'all, man. Make sure you subscribe. Oh my God! Like and subscribe, man. Love you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.